So the next movement we're going to look at in this series is the Snatch High Pull. It's a great movement for developing that explosive pull when you get to the top of the thigh. The main points of performance, they continue from the snatch grip deadlift really. We need that high chest position, bum and back rising at the same time. You need to keep your arms long. You've got to resist the temptation to start pulling with the arms before you've reached full extension of the ankle, knee and hip. That's where the power comes from. Barbell should remain nice and close to the chest, finishing with high elbows. By far the most common fault we see when we do weightlifting in CrossFit is the early arm bend. We see the biceps get involved coming off the floor, and it just removes all power from the lower body. Make sure you keep the arms long until you've reached full extension of the ankle, knee and hip. The opposite of the early arm bend is really the delayed pull, or the two-part pull as we sometimes call it. So the athlete will deadlift it up to the hip position and then feel like they need to almost be static before they initiate the final upward momentum before they go under the bar. We want to maximize the use of energy, so everything we add from the floor upwards needs to continue into that final aggressive pull. Stopping's just going to limit the efficiency and limit the amount of weight we can put over our head. The final fault we're going to look at today is barbell swing. Essentially, we're just looking at the proximity of the barbell to the torso as it comes off the hip. Some athletes feel like they need to smash the barbell away to give themselves that extra power, but all it's doing is adding lateral momentum, and it's going to decrease your accuracy in actually making that lift when it's overhead. Make sure you keep the barbell nice and close, pull it tight to the chest, and you're going to get a much better lift.